Back here at our Gmail inbox, let's talk for a moment about the archive button, because that can be confusing. I'll archive my email, and now I can see it is no longer in the main inbox. If I jump back down to All Mail, now I can see all of my mail, including my archived email. Those that are still remaining inside of my inbox have a label appearing next to them. Let's take a closer look at these buttons and how they pair with the menu on the side. For snooze, I can select when I'd like my email to reappear again so that it is not visible, but then returns back to the inbox when I'm wanting it to be there. Labels are a function of organizing your email as well. I can nest one label inside of another label by using this drop down, but for now we'll just go with one. We're looking for our Karen label. We see our inboxes under these categories. And then we're going to pop back up. And here we find Karen with her own label. And a cool feature is that you can customize how your label looks. So let's give Karen a color. We'll make her purple because that's our favorite color. And now we can see that all of the Karen emails are actually set to purple. Drop down to All Mail. Now we see our label, our Karen label, purple, up at the top. Let's jump back up to our settings menu and take a look at some advanced features. When we look back up at the very tippy top here, we can see a number of menus. Let's take a look at themes. If we'd like to give our email box a cool design, there are some out-of-the-box solutions here. I like that. I like something colorful. So I can set my theme. You'll notice all the colors. Many users would like to control whether or not they're seeing the full conversation in an email. So that setting is also located here, view on or view off. If you prefer to just see one email at a time rather than looking at it the way we were looking at it in the last video where it's nested, here's the signatures. So I can just come straight in here and create a signature. I don't have to go through my email box in order to do that. I can add an image, customize the font. Really impressed my mom with a cool signature line. Yeah. Purple. And here I can set my vacation response if I'm ever able to use my passport and leave to go on a vacation again. So let's go ahead. Let's test that out. Let's compose an email. And now I see my signature appears there. Yes. Super fast. And now, of course, it's back up in drafts. We're in the All Mail view, not to be confused with an All Mail Revue. But that is why it is a good idea to take some time to familiarize yourself with the different views between inbox, all mail. If you're looking for a particular email, you can use this search box up at the top. There are several categories you can search by. In this case, let's go with subject. We are just going to be looking for the same status update email. Notice the breadcrumbs up at the top. And we've found our email. Let's go back over to our settings one more time. And under the advanced settings, there's one down here for where you can actually import other emails if you wanted to integrate with another email box. There's add-on features if you would like to go and look for some other add-ons available through Chrome and other developers. Definitely an advanced tool that's located here on the Gsuite Marketplace. So if you have Dropbox and you'd like to configure that, this is where you do it here inside of the settings. If you have a CRM tool that you're using to integrate maybe for your business. So I could add in a meeting code and just begin from here if somebody's created a Google Meet, which we will discuss a little later on in this course. Or I can start a new meeting. Now, I would like to set my theme back because I really don't think Karen would approve. So let's just go back to our neutral theme. And there we are. One more feature on your inbox, if you'd like to remove those inboxes and kind of simplify, this is where you do it here. You can control, instead of seeing social primary promotions, you can import from other contacts here. If you have other email contacts you'd like to import, under accounts and imports. So here we go. We'll go ahead. We'll untick that. Now this gives us a more simplified view. Because why do we need to see our spam or advertisements? We could use Yahoo Mail if we wanted to do that. And you can see that's far more simplified. Under the waffle is a contacts button. You can use this to import your contacts as well. And they will integrate with your Gmail email.